to back my channel Study with हितेश गोले क्लास 7th भी। अब मैं 7th में आ गया हूँ, सॉरी अब मैं 6 नहीं कह सकता। तो आपको भी डाउट हो रहा होगा यार, इसमें चैनल में तो 6th लिख रखा है और बोल रहा 7th है, तो मैं 7th में ही आ गया हूँ। आज हम 7th की इंग्लिश की हनी कॉम्ब बुक का चैप्टर 1 पढ़ेंगे, जिसका नाम है 3 क्वेश्चंस। चलो रीड करते हैं। द थॉट कम टू, मैं खाली रीड करूँगा, आप बताना रीड कैसी है, और अगले पार्ट में मैं उनको एक्सप्लेन करूँगा। अभी मैं खाली रीड करूँगा। द थॉट कम टू अ सर्टेन किंग दैट ही वुड नेवर फेल इफ वी three things. These are three things. What is the right time to begin something? Which people should he listen to? What is the important thing for him to do? The king therefore sent messengers throughout his kingdom, promising a large sum of money to anyone who would answer these 3 questions. Many wise men come to the king, but they all answered his question differently. He replied to the first question. Some said the king must prepare a timetable and then follow it strictly only in this way. They said could he do everything at its proper time. Others said that it was impossible to decide in advance the right time for doing something. The king soon noticed all that was going on. Guys, समझ में आ रहा है ना? Avoid foolish pleasure and always do whatever seemed necessary at that time. Yet others said that the king needed a council of wise men who would help him act at the proper time. This was because one man would find too impossible to decide correctly without help from others. The right time for every action, but then others said that there were some things which could be urgent. These things could not wait for the decision of the council. In order to decide to the right time for doing sometime, it is necessary to look into the future, and only magicians could do that. The king therefore would have to go magicians. In their answer to the second question, some said that the people must necessary to the king were his conclusion. The other said the parties. A few other choose the doctor, and yet other. समझ में? Yet others said that his soldiers were the most necessary. To the third question, some said science, other choose fighting, and yet other religious worship. At the answer, his question were of different. The king was not stuffed and gave no reward. Instead, he decided to seek the advice of certain hermit who was widely known for his wisdom. The hermit lived in his wood, which he never left. He saw no one but simple people, and so that the king put on ordinary clothes. Before he reached the hermit hut, the king left the horse with his bodyguard and went on alone. As the king came near the hermit hut, the hermit gaining the ground in front of his hut. He greeted the king and continued the journey. The hermit was cold and weak, and as worked and greatly heavy. The king went up to hermit and said, "I have come to you, wise hermit, to ask you answer 3 questions. How can I learn to do right thing at right time? Who are the people I need most? And what affairs are the most important?" The hermit listened to the king, but did not speak. He went on designing your tried shade. The king, "Let me take the spade and work in your place. Thanks, said the hermit, giving the king his spade. Then he sat down on the ground. देखो ये है ना किंग आया था इसके उसमें. When the king had dug 2 beds, he stopped and repeated his question. The hermit gave no answer. The hermit made no answer, but stood up, stretching out his hand for the spade and said, "Now you rest, let me work." But the king did not give him the spade and continued to dig. 1 hour passed, then another. The sun went down behind in the tree, and the last the king stuck the spade into the ground. There I come to you, wise man, for answer to my question. If you can give me no answer, tell me, so I will return home. Here comes someone running, said the. अब ये ना कंपेरिजन चेक मतलब थोड़े से क्वेश्चन आंसर दे दिए बीच में, और हम आगे का पार्ट 2 में पढ़ेंगे. सो बाय.